going on? In this video, we're gonna change the water pump on a 2004 Jeep Liberty. So what you wanna do is take your fan out of place. All right, that's the water pump right there. Look like it's 8 bolts we gotta take off. All right, so the bolt size is gonna be 13. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 bolts. So next, to get to our 2 bottom bolts, we got to remove this pulley right here. So we're going to take that off. It's going to be a 15 millimeter. All right, now we can get to our 2 bolts. All right, so the bolt sizes are different. So I just kept them in order from left to right. Should be 8 bolts. Now we're gonna come off with it. Still has some water in there. Alright, so we got the old one off. We're gonna go on with the new one. Alright, so what you wanna do before you put the next one on is you wanna clean all this old gasket off, the surface right here. That way when you put the new one on, it'll seal. If you don't do this, it'll never seal right. So make sure you scrape all that off. Alright, you wanna put your new one on and start putting your bolts back in. The new one just have a gasket, so you don't have to use the RTV. Always check on yours, just in case. All right, we got them all tightened up. Now you want to torque them down to 40 foot-pounds. Now you want to come back on with your pulley. Just torque this one down to 40. Get the picture of your belt. Next thing you do, you're gonna replace your fan, connect your wire back. Alright, just like that, we done. Next thing, add your coolant, and you all good. The repair took me about an hour and a half, not too long. And yeah, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We got a lot more stuff coming. We got a LS SWAT, OBS Chevy. That's my personal vehicle. We got a twin turbo 335i BMW for my Beamer people. We got a E30 Beamer that we building. That's coming on this channel. We got Mustang stuff coming on this channel. And we just got a lot more how-tos. Maybe some drifting gonna be coming soon. But yeah, just make sure y'all keep on the lookout. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Just follow us what we doing. All right, see y'all in the next one.